In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to write better 5 minutes. First, log into your Notion workspace. You can use the desktop app or the browser. Either works the same for what we're doing today. Once you're in, make sure you're inside the workspace where your notes and docs live, so anything you create or edit is saved in the right place. Next, open an existing page or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, give the page a clear title so it's easy to find later. If you prefer structure, you can start typing a quick outline, headings, a few bullets, or a rough paragraph to give the AI something to build on. If you're drafting from scratch, move to a new line and press the space key to open the AI prompt. Tell Notion what you want in plain language. Be specific about the purpose, audience, tone, and length, and mention any format you need, like a blog intro, an email, or a summary. After it generates a draft, read it through once for flow, then ask the AI to refine it. You could say make it more concise, add examples, or rewrite in a friendlier tone. Think of the first result as a starting point, not the finish line. If you already have text on the page, highlight the section you want to improve and choose. Ask AI from the formatting menu. From there, you can rewrite for clarity, fix spelling and grammar, simplify complex sentences, or change the tone to be more professional or more casual. Try a couple of variations and compare them to your original. Keep the parts that sound like you, and don't hesitate to undo anything you don't love. For contextual assistance, type/AI to insert AI-powered blocks that use your page's content as context. This is great for generating summaries, action items, or key takeaways from longer notes. For example, if you have meeting notes, you can instantly capture decisions and next steps without copying and pasting. Because the AI reads the page, you'll get results that reflect what's already there, not generic suggestions. As you work, remember a few best practices, give the AI clear direction, iterate quickly, and always do a final human pass for accuracy and tone. Save your favorite prompts so you can reuse them, and keep each page focused on one topic to help the AI stay on track. That's it. With login, a page to work in, quick prompts from scratch, targeted rewrites, and contextual AI blocks, you'll write faster and clearer right inside Notion.